This world is run on but a simple rule. Not a case of what you know, but who. Looking at you, I think perhaps you're wanting more than table scraps. So just imagine what a man like me could do for you. This way, good man, we've a deal to make. I assure this is a good thing for both our sakes. I'm happy to provide, but remember your side of a bargain I know you can't refuse to take. All I ask is when I boost your station, remember who gave you this grand ovation. If I call on you for a favor or two, don't forget it's now your obligation. Smile and you mean it, take a chance and you could seize it. I'm sure you'll do just well, you're only down in hell, so come along with me and guarantee it. Smile your way through it, grit your teeth and get right to it. Forget the rigmarole and you can have it all, and make it that much better when I see you fall. Oscar?
They say you reap what you sow, and in this town you should damn well know that what the radio demon wants he's gonna take. I've seen him kill hell's greatest evils, shake the status quo in the people. So if you think you're getting out of this, big mistake.
Now, sourpuss.
Stop fucking around, this is taking forever. You always think you're real slick and clever.
Yet I know what you like and what makes you tick, tick, tick.
Doing what you want's just the cost I pay. Enough of this shit, we ain't got all day. Just sign the thing so I can go get another fucking drink.
In other words, smile like you mean it, risk it all and we can seize it. Until we hear that bell, we're both stuck in hell, so roll the dice and see if you could be it. Smile your way through it, embrace the dark as though you knew it. You can stand up tall and act within my thrall, and I'll be there to watch you as you take the fall. So what, my friend, whatever will it be? I can give you what you crave, just not for free. You know what's on the line, and this whole thing's on borrowed time. But you can trust the man who's wearing his one guarantee. Smile like you mean it, take a chance and you could seize it. So you'll do just well, you're only down in hell, so come along with me and guarantee it. Smile your way through it, grit your teeth and get right to it. Forget the rigmarole and you can have it all, and make it that much better when I see you smile like you mean it. Risk it all and we can seize it. Until we hear that bell, we're both stuck in hell, so roll the dice and see if you could be it. Smile your way through it, embrace the dark as though you knew it. You can stand up tall and act within my thrall, and I'll be there to watch you. Yes, I'll watch you. I will make you, break you as you fall. So, it's a deal then?